Hello and welcome to Random Projects. Today I wanted to play a bit around with the serial monitor of the Arduino. The most simple use of the serial monitor is just to display some text. This is already accomplished by a few lines of code. First, in the setup function, I need to start the serial communication. This allows communication between the Arduino and my computer. When this is done, I can go to the loop function and add one more line, the serial.print. There are two types of serial.print, the .print and the .println. The .print will print the data next to data, while the println will print data below data. Like I said, I want to print some simple text, so in the parentheses and in quotation marks I put "Hello World". After uploading the code to the Arduino, I now open the serial monitor by clicking on the magnifying glass in the top right corner. A whole lot "Hello Worlds" should now start appearing. If not, check if your baud rate is the same as in your serial.begin line, or if your Arduino is connected to the right COM port. In my instance, the Hello Worlds started showing without any problems. All this is very nice, but I want to change the sentences once in a while. As you can see here, I have an input line in my serial monitor, where I can write my own sentences. To do this, I'm starting off like before, serial.begin and the .println. I need to check if something is inputted in the input line at the serial monitor. To do this, I'm going to see if serial.available is bigger than 0. In theory, every input is bigger than 0. Then, inside the curly brackets, I'm going to have my else statement. So, what if serial.available is bigger than 0? The first following line has three main functions. First of all, it reads what was inputted. Secondly, it stores the sentence in a string I called line. And at last, it clears the input. Then I have a line that prints "your sentence is", and then it prints my input. The last println is just so that I have a blank line before it all starts over again. I open up my serial monitor again and type my sentence here. I know, I said I wanted to use a different sentence. I promise I will use a different one in the next example. I press send and it shows below. One thing I myself find annoying right now is that it keeps repeating the sentence "type any sentence". Let's change that. Instead of an if statement, I'm going to use the while function and changing the greater than 0 to equal to 0. The rest stays the same. What this does, it is now waiting for an input before going to the next step. I'm going to open the serial monitor again and type a sentence. This time I will be using a different sentence and it shows up once again in the part below. Now it will keep waiting until another sentence is given. In an upcoming video I'll be using this reading writing in controlling an LED. See you in the next video.